ner malaka nyam yakmal ka Nuer online TV channel ke jen gwaseme bana rwacheme bana jaling rwache bana kwen gwaseme rwache mishalad nun woshi Dr. Riek Machar shiga je kene UNISFA commander te ka rwache chikana lat ka kwi Abyei ka kwi security ka Abyei ke dung humanitarian situation dan en chuje kana ka ke choja dan te ka Abyei ban mandana chikana kula lat ke Dr. Riek Machar ban je kula lat gwasame ano kan konore ler kana me mi jira ma jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gore jeno jinder jinwa na san ko ken ko de ler te de kan kula mala chu gwasne ten gor kon ken wo de ko ten ban leran ban je chuling agwa chalari nene Dr. Riek Machar kene UNISFA commander shika duɔl ka kwi security ka Abyei, Major General Robert Jaramandan la Quer NGO UNISFA jenchale Robert Yao Ibrahim ajala Quer NGO kamo mental security tapinda shika duɔl ka duɔba danan de Abyei de lok de yetop kaja ka kwi humanitarian la kwi loka ka kwi kwan ko shushka ka shi nyok raj ba ka kwi security ka ko situation tong mi beja cha raj mo cha jala de ken ka duoba dana de ko nyam kaja kimen de Abyei dara won nyam kaja ala Dr. Riek Machar ke vice president Dr. Riek Machar jara mandan en cha kamlanko duoba dien de Abyei da wajen nyamane shikan security situation kana loki duoba dana de kwende je top kaja shikana lat ano Abyei taping Sudan won chigame ngayana baran tama kajan gwasame ka dobe da ne chikan warga chikan gorga je chikan lat pin South Sudan chi don't know ne de ja approve ko dara state kel ke steni nying South Sudan ko shinedin konte logo je no dong de Abyei de ben kujeme me chikan duɔl ka rone dane ba mai kul yor ke jere which ke junub ka South Sudan ron kina dangra wi wal die shu togo no shu kan te ke election mi mashwala no ken shu ka pat ko big Aryan watch pin Sudan me shi ga pat kan warga shu kan shu top rai wi ka South Sudan kan gwad mo shu kor shu butwok kan warga dien kan ele ben gweje nyok mi shi mal mato charge ne nan tama shi kan warga mu kan nyok mo non kan nyok sha Dr. Riek Machar cha kana team da shi chu nyok nyurtin ka kan Abyei administrative ka doba dan dong de Abyei de jamat rai wach ka South Sudan kaja en makuna altina tama ke Dr. Riek Machar kana jen kuma kana ne din kontil NGO tin top kulogan wi mi doba dan de security de jaga tawano ko na da kan shu kan telekwan ka ta dan ngayen no Sudan chadak ke tere kori ti humanitarian support ya chutel bolong ko doba dan cha gwi keja alo shabaj ajana tama la lokula gorga ka South Sudan ko kan ke part of South Sudan jen gorga jamono de security de jaga ba magwa ka de kwandien ba de jaga wo beten wano ka do bana shalat wa shi chu nyur ka first by president Dr. Riek Machar ten ko bi Abyei bata kamal ka bata ka dor mi jakana madong de kan sham la kwen ban mandan shi kan lat gwas ban je chulinga gwa ka tok English. First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and UN Interim Security Forces for Abyei UNISFA Force Commander Major General Robert Yao Ibrahim have reviewed the security and humanitarian situation in the disputed region. UNISFA Commander General Ibrahim told the media on Wednesday that he discussed with Dr. Riek Machar way to continue to ensure the peace in the area is sustained. Other issues reportedly addressing in the meeting include humanitarian support, the local community, and ensuring their safety, the security and humanitarian situation, among others. We discussed ways by which we can continue to ensure that peace in the area is sustained and how to support the local community with humanitarian support. This is the dry season and there is movement of cattle into the box, he said. We have Miseria cattle moving from the north. We also have movement into the box as a result of flooding, and then we have the people who are traditionally located in the box. The president of UNISFA has been vital in maintaining peace and security since the region's special status was created following the 2005 Comprehensive Peace Agreement. The Abyei region, rich in natural sources including oil, remained a point of contention between South Sudan and Sudan since the 2005 Comprehensive Peace Agreement, which granted South Sudan independence. It is the traditional homeland of the Ngok Dinka, but nomadic Miseria either from the north seasonally cross to the region with their cattle in search of water and pasture in the dry season and to trade goods. In 1972, at the end of the Sudan First Civil War, the Addis Ababa Agreement promised residents of Abyei the right to hold a referendum to determine whether they would remain a part of northern Sudan or join the newly formed South region. However, in 1983, Sudan descended into another civil war after President Jafar Nimeri refused to implement the agreement and allow Abyei to hold its referendum. The war ended after signing the Comprehensive Peace Agreement in 2005, which included the Abyei Protocol stipulating that the region would remain under special administrative status. The region was said to hold a status referendum to allow its residents to determine whether Abyei would become part of Sudan or South Sudan. Following several delays, the Ngok Dinka held the referendum in October 2013, in which they overwhelmingly voted for Abyei to be part of South Sudan, but the result was not recognized by either Sudan or South Sudan. The referendum was deemed not binding because there was an impasse on who constitutes a resident of Abyei. As Sudan insisted that the Miseria tribe, who have historically stayed in the region every year for 6 months, be allowed to vote. In November 2024, the administrative government of the regional called on the South Sudan government to endorse the outcome of the October 2013 referendum. But the 8th Governor Forum declined to publicly read out recommendations on the disputed region final status, including the call to recognize the referendum results. On December 23, 2024, the Executive Council of the Abyei Administrative Area then went ahead and unanimously endorsed the result of the referendum officially presented by the High Commission of the Abyei community. On January 3, First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar received the official report of the 2013 referendum on the disputed region final status and endorsed it afterward. In a meeting of the governance cluster, the meeting recommended engagement with regional and international organizations to recognize the aspiration of the people of Abyei to be part of South Sudan. On January 2025, South Sudan Minister of Justice disclosed that the 2013 Abyei referendum result will be subject of an upcoming cabinet meeting following his consultation with President Salva Kiir and First Deputy Dr. Riek Machar.